Hey class, how's everything going? So look at how pretty this is up Ephraim Canyon. We're standing just in the backyard of the Great Basin Station, which the college is part of, okay? Not necessarily owns it, but it's part of it along with the Forest Service. What you see behind me, this is an old box that's been here at the station for many years. This recorded temperature. You'll see pictures of boxes like this in the textbook, and it talks about how you record temperature and you want to have your temperature probe 1.5 meters off of the ground, which this box fits those standards. Now our temperature probes now are a little bit different. We're going to look at a modern one over here on this SNOTEL weather station. But a couple things you'll see on this box, there's slats on the side. Those slats allow air to move in and out of the box, but also shade the probe, because we want to take air temperature in the shade to actually get the true value of how much energy is in the air. We don't want to have our measurements skewed by the amount of radiation that's in the air. So now we're going to walk over here. We're going to just look at some of this equipment that's on this SNOTEL measuring site. I've got Lucy with me today. She's my partner, and so she's helping us out, and Lauren is on the camera, so I'm grateful that they came up with me. Now the SNOTEL site, this whole meadow here has been used for years and many other places further up the canyon to measure weather information and especially precipitation, which is what we're wanting to focus on right now. So just backing around this, I'm standing here at a SNOTEL site. Now there's several of these sites across the western United States. We're interested in how much our snowpack, where our snowpack's at, how much water we have, and what you see here on the ground, there's kind of this big octagonal, hexagonal, excuse me, shape. Okay, this is a big pillow, and this pillow, as snow piles on top of it, this pillow measures how much weight is piled on top of it based on the pressure inside the pillow. Okay, so as snow piles deeper and deeper, heavy snow means lots of water, light snow means not as much water. It measures weight more than snow depth. Beside it here we have a communications tower, with instrumentation to send that data instantaneously to a server that you and I can access and that you will access in this lab. There's two arms coming off kind of the mid-level of the tower. The one with these slanted sides, okay, this cylinder shape with several, almost looks like a stack of pancakes, that is a modern day temperature probe. And it's doing the same thing that box with slats does. It shades the probe from actual direct contact with sunlight. So this is a SNOTEL site. You have a link to kind of explore, all the way around it. A couple other things I want to point out. There's other weather instrumentation here. This brown tower, we'll talk about what that is later on. There's also this box here next to the SNOTEL site that houses a lot of the communications equipment and data storage, data loggers. There's a little box on the side with information about it for someone who comes and hikes up here and wants to learn about it. So you'll find these in your hiking and explorations in the mountain. We're going to look at this one. We'll look at a couple others as part of our lab. Thanks, guys.